we also start our Ratha Yatra called Praja Dhvani Yatra. In the first phase, myself and D.K. Shivakumar, the President of PCC, and other senior leaders of the state will go to the district headquarters by bus. So we will cover 20 to 22 districts because we have already covered some districts. That is why we are not covering the districts we have already covered, and the remaining districts will be covered. After the district yatra is over, two groups will be formed. One group is headed by me, the another group is headed by D.K. Shivakumar. In the first instance, first phase, I will cover Hyderabad, Karnataka, and I will go to all assembly segments of Hyderabad, Karnataka and Mumbai, Karnataka. Shivakumar will cover the old Mysore area and he will go to all the assembly segments. After the first phase is over, in the second phase I will come to South Karnataka and he will go to North Karnataka. Before the election, he will cover all the 224 constituencies.
This is Praja Dhvani, the voice of the people. This yatra is a positive yatra. It is not a negative yatra. What we are going to do for Karnataka, what we are going to change for Karnataka. We need a change. We need a positive approach. We need a development agenda. We don't want any destructive agenda. We don't want any destructive agenda. Due to the price rise, every family of this state is suffering. Every youth is suffering. Every farmer is suffering. Every trader is suffering. We want to help them. We want to stand by them. We want to support them. I am confident Congress party will come 136 seats plus. 136 seats plus. This is on record, I am telling you. This is a very auspicious day, I am telling this. So, we want to show lot of issues where BJP also has failed. We have to communicate to them. What is the difference between the BJP government and the Congress government? Has to be convinced to the people. I am sure the people of this Karnataka are highly educated, highly cultured, progressive thinking, and they have a basic common sense. 63 days is the tenure. 63 days is the tenure. Countdown will start from today. It will be end of the BJP rule in Karnataka.